Sheikh Mohammed shares poem advice for Sheikh Hamdan and two sons. Dubai, a few days after the Islamic wedding of his three sons, the ruler of Dubai on Sunday, May the 19th, released a heartfelt poem to celebrate the occasion. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, shared his joy for his newly-wed sons, saying that marriage completes faith and regard. He also regarded an important advice to his sons: be unite always. Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai; Sheikh Maktoum bin Mohammed, Deputy Ruler of Dubai; Sheikh Ahmed bin Mohammed, Chairman of the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Knowledge Foundation, got married in a joint ceremony on Wednesday. The brothers, all sons of Sheikha Hind binte Maktoum bin Juma, signed an official marriage contract during the Islamic wedding. Sheikh Hamdan wed Sheikha Sheikha bin Said bin Tani Maktoum. Sheikh Maktoum bin Mohammed married Sheikha Maryam bint Abuti Al Maktoum, and Sheikh Ahmed bin Mohammed married Sheikha Media bint Dalmuj Al Maktoum. An official wedding ceremony is expected soon. In his poem, their father Sheikh Mohammed expressed his joy at the wedding of the great men.